So, okay, so the next thing is another section again that has two divs. So this is a section that contains two divisions. Okay, first division is image. And the other one let's just give it a class of uh, people. Okay, then the other division contains words, right? Super binge data. So h2 tag super binge data. Then paragraph also. Okay. After that, the next thing is a button that has sign up. Type of button plus also button. Small. Sign up. So after that section, let's move to another section that has two paragraphs, colon. So another section of two divs, paragraph, another div, paragraph. We'll come back with those classes and think of what would be their classes. Let's still continue. Let's see. Okay, we are getting there. Next thing is we have this section that has these cards. So we have to create now. So the next would be section that has first division, which is a card. Division of this is class of card. Class of card. So the first one, the words is h2 as well. Personal data, a rectangle, a paragraph of words that has, that is paragraph, 10,000 gigabytes plus 400,000 gigabytes, 10,000 gigabytes plus 4,000 megabytes. YouTube plan plus 1,200 1,200 megabytes for Spotify. Span of 30 days. Then the next one is a button. Type of button. And class of, let's say, button, not small anymore. Button card. Okay, and it has excuse me, so sorry. It has a logo. Say, oh, okay. Say logo. I don't want to use the classroom logo. Let's say logo one or icon one. And it has icon one, right? Yes. Inside the button, oh, there is a logo. Am I right? Yes, inside this button, there is a logo that has words of buy now. Okay. Buy now. Okay, oh, okay. What's happening again? What else again? What else again? A review section. So we have another section called the review section. Okay. Let's save it. Let's see what we're even constructing to be sure we're on the right track. Then we can know what to do. Okay, we are right. But the buy now button is supposed to be below this. Okay, don't worry. When we start with CSS, we would sort it out. Okay, the review section, another section of review words, class is review. Okay, so in the review section, what happens? So review section of class, and the other one is paragraph of this, and a span of name called Jane Doe. Before then, we should have image of Jane that shows us how Jane looks. Review bar. Okay, so after that, the next section is the footer. Another section of class bottom. Section of bottom that has some span. Serial services data. So let me see how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 times 3, 4, 5, 6, 18 of them. Another list. It's a link, so we have to use a anchor tag, href, href. So we have 18 of them. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we have 18 of them. Services, devices that devices that getting started, announcement and FAQ. Our story contact us code of ethics. Next one is shares privacy and terms of service. Shares privacy terms of service. Next one is careers, bonuses, shareholders. Careers, bonuses, shareholders. And next one, Help Center community just for you. Help Center community just for you. Okay, the last set of footer, and it has footer